Hi there. Welcome to Growth Engineering, a channel where we say it's an intersection between marketing and engineering and where data becomes your competitive advantage. Now, in today's quick demo, I'll be showing you how to generate leads or how I generate leads quickly using a combo of Google Search, ChatGPT, and as well as Google Sheet to have all my leads data organized. Now, it's important to say that this is ethical lead generation, no scraping, no shady tactics, and no bots. So you ain't breaking the law by using this method. All right, let's quickly dive in and let me show you how. Bye.
So, okay, let's say I'm looking for marketing manager in the city of New York. Instead of me going to browse these details in Facebook or LinkedIn directly, I simply just write a search term that should be able to help me return the result, like say site.linkedin. Let's use LinkedIn dot. Okay, in New York. Now, what this does is it pulls up only public LinkedIn profiles and that mentions marketing manager and New York in their profiles, like I said. So this, we simply just click on enter and we have all the details, the search result on our search page. If you look at this, you can scroll through different next page to see more. Also remember that you could get creative with your search term. You could search for maybe facebook.com, founders on Facebook. You could search for LinkedIn profile whose title carries stuff like SaaS consultant in Toronto. You could also get results for maybe things like twitter.com, the Growth Hackers in the city of San Francisco. Look for startup founders in Lagos. Just get creative and as much as you can in order to ensure that you narrow down your niche and get the required details from the search term. So always start with broad terms, and then you can narrow it down later. So now we go to step 2. So now we'll write the prompt. I'm going to say organize. I would say organize the following. Prompt simply says organize the following LinkedIn profile summaries into a table with columns, name, job title, company, location, and any available URL. Return it in a markdown table format. So next we paste the search results we got from Google search and just click on enter. Okay. You can see how ChatGPT has fully organized, more like clean the data that we copied from the search results and have everything cleaned, formatted into a relational table. So we could simply just copy, all right, and head to a Google Sheet or a spreadsheet or whatever, and paste. Yeah. So we have 10 leads initially. So we could head back to our Google search result and go to next page or the next search result. Control copy, Control O, Control copy, that's Control A, Control C, head back to ChatGPT and just simply say enter without a prompt. I'm sure ChatGPT will understand what we're trying to do, so it will simply do the same. All right, like you can see. So once it's done, I simply just copy, head back to my spreadsheet, go to the next cell and click on and paste. At this point, I could take out the column names on this because I don't need this. So I could just say delete this row so that I have a full organized table. You could see the links to all their LinkedIn profiles. So you could use this as a way to generate lead without having to break a bank. And if you do this on a daily basis, you have enough leads to carry out your cold email outreach or cold calling. And then you could automate the process in terms of outreach and then follow up email using automation. I hope this helps.
Now that you have your clean table, you could do a lot with it. You could track progress in terms of reach outreach. You could track your outreach progress. You could filter by region, by title, and as well you can export into your CRM tool in order to start sending warm, personalized messaging. Just get strategic about how you play around with the leads that you've been able to generate using this simple combo. But I also must mention, before you go wild with this method, please only use publicly available data. 2. Don't automate scraping platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook. Personalize your outreach and always offer value. If you found this helpful, then like the video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to take advantage of our starter kit where I have prompts, templates, blueprints, and even search terms that can help you get strategic with your lead generation using this process. And as well, if you want a lead generation system built for your business, I can do that too. So get in touch. Find the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, this is Growth Engineering, where we don't just talk growth, we build it. Bye-bye.